Welcome to Rockville.
Guys, what a total time capsule. This thing's an absolute ripper. Set up for AHRMA racing. It's ready to go to the track today. Hot rod engine's been ported, bored third over, carb's been redone, all new jets, new air filter, new reeds. The head and the cylinder have been ceramic coated, run a little bit cooler. It's been ported. It's got a DG pipe and silencer, full race kitted engine with a new clutch, new drain cap. You can see the engine's been repainted, the water pump's been redone. It's got the aluminum radiator with the radiator thermometer on the radiator cap. New gear oil, new coolant. The engine's in pristine condition, hauls ass. Check out the frame rails on this thing. Super clean frame rails, nice and straight. And cases are in excellent condition. Come around this side here, you'll see it's got the original factory case protector, original factory cover. Everything's in order on the power plant, and the frame's in mint shape. All the bearings are super tight on it. The swing arm and wheel bearings are nice and tight. Suspension's just been done up on it. This is a 125 that's been upgraded to the 250 suspension, the 250 front brake and wheel. It's got a brand new Dunlop tire on there and tube. We just rebuilt the forks and new fork seals with new fork boots, new front fender, new front number plate, new set of Answer Alumilite blue anodized bars with a new set of ODI grips. It's got the debruiser period correct pad, new clutch lever, new clutch cable, new front brake lever, new gas cap breather, brand new set of graphics. My honey Christy Steiger Designs made these graphics for me, and it's got some period correct logos on the rear fender. New seat cover. The DG pipe has a matching DG period correct silencer, new number plate graphics. The chain and sprockets are new gold chain and sprockets. Has the original full floater decal on the original swing arm, which is in mint shape, indicating a low R bike. The original pegs are nice and straight. The shifter is perfect. Has in addition to the new chain and sprockets, it's got a new chain guide, new chain sliders, and new chain rollers. RaceTech just had rebuilt the shock. You see it's got the RaceTech spring on there with the braided stainless lines, all new valving, oil, nitrogen, and a complete rebuild on the shock with the RaceTech logo on the original factory remote reservoir with the braided stainless line for that. You can see the rear wheels in mint shape. Original factory wheel set still intact. The hub's been painted. Brand new set of Dunlop tires, brand new tube. Rear brakes have been redone. It handles good. It looks good. It sounds good. It's about as good as it gets. Again, the engine's been ported, and it has that third over piston. So for a 125, this thing hauls the mill. Full race kitted engine. Intake, carb, cylinder, the ceramic coated, the porting, and the exhaust. The whole thing's been done. So she's an absolute screamer. And boy, she's a looker too. Absolutely beautiful piece. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. Oh, I almost forgot to mention, this thing's loaded with titanium. Not unobtainium, titanium. But check it out. It's got titanium bolts holding the forks on here. It's got titanium shock mount bolts. It's got titanium hardware all over the place on this thing. So definitely a no expense spared build, and it's ready to go to the track. Let me take a quick look here, make sure I didn't miss anything. That has a period Gunner Whirlpool throttle. And the titanium hardware is on the fork clamps, the chain adjusters, the swing arm pit. It's got titanium chain adjusters, the swing arm pivot arms, the exhaust silencer mount, the handlebar clamps. Check it out. The shock mounting bolts and the seat bolts are all titanium. Pretty freaking cool, huh? About as trick as you get for this period correct build here. Has a custom CNC machined rear brake arm. See that on the back there? The rear brake arm. See, Airbot has a custom airbox events. New swing arm pivot, new axles and bolts. That's a new RM125 gear shift lever, new radiator hoses, And again, it's got the oversized radiator with a temperature gauge. New air filter, new fork seals, new fork oil, new fork boots, new engine coolant, new transmission oil, new clutch plates and springs. It's got it all. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, man. This one's a diamond, ready to roll into the museum and display with the classic bikes from the 80s at the New England Motorcycle Museum, or ready to take it to the line for some vintage motocross, or take it out and beat up on the new four-strokes with this thing. You put someone like Carson Brown on this thing, I guarantee you he'd smoke the local amateurs for sure, and probably be in the top 20 in the pro class. These things are just absolute rockets. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.